Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where luxury meets the road. Today, we're taking you on a full review journey of one of the most talked about RVs of the year, the 2025 Newmar Double Story Motorhome. It's not just a vehicle. It's a two-level luxury home that moves with you, redefining what motorhome travel means. Let's start with the exterior. The design is bold and futuristic, with sharp body lines, chrome detailing, and a majestic height that makes it stand out at any campground or highway. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis, giving it stability and power, and the dual-level layout adds an entirely new dimension to mobile living. Open the automatic side entry door and step into a first floor that's absolutely loaded. There's a full chef's kitchen with premium appliances. Think induction cooktops, a full-sized fridge, convection oven, and even a wine chiller. The lounge area is cozy, yet sophisticated, with Italian leather sofas, ambient lighting, and a pop-up smart TV. But here's where things really get next level. The staircase. A rare sight in any RV, this floating staircase leads you to a second story that feels like a luxury hotel suite. The panoramic windows give you an uninterrupted view of your surroundings, whether it's a mountain range or beachfront. The upstairs suite includes a full king-sized bed, wardrobe with built-in lighting, and mood-controlled lighting systems for the perfect atmosphere, day or night. Want more? The upstairs also features a personal workspace that folds into a gaming setup or content creator's station, perfect for digital nomads or influencers. Plus, there's an upper-level patio deck that slides out with retractable glass panels, turning your RV into a mobile rooftop lounge. Under the hood, the Newmar Double Story packs a turbocharged diesel engine capable of towing heavy loads with ease. You also get Level 4 autonomy for semi-self-driving on highways, regenerative braking, and solar power support to keep everything running off-grid. It's not just about luxury. It's about freedom without compromise. The 2025 Newmar C isn't made for quick getaways. It's built for full-time travelers who want the comfort of a high-end home wherever they go. So if you're dreaming of the open road without sacrificing space, style, or smart tech, the 2025 Newmar Double Story Motorhome could be your ultimate ride. Like what you see? Tap that like button, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and tell us in the comments, what feature impressed you most? Could this be your next home on wheels? Stay tuned, because we've got more incredible reviews coming your way.